Why Ethereum is the best altcoin. Welcome back to Crypto Dava, the channel that brings you all the latest news and insights from the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we're delving into the incredible features and benefits of one of the most innovative altcoins on the market, Ethereum. With its smart contract functionality and decentralized applications, Ethereum has become a game changer in the crypto world, offering a plethora of benefits and opportunities for investors and developers. But what sets Ethereum apart from other altcoins and makes it the best choice for those looking to invest in the crypto market? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features and benefits that make Ethereum the ultimate choice for anyone looking to get involved in the world of cryptocurrencies. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's dive into the world of Ethereum. What is an altcoin? In simple terms, an altcoin is any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. Yes, you heard that right. Any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin is classified as an altcoin. Now, you might be wondering why the need for an altcoin when Bitcoin is the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency out there. Well, altcoins offer a range of different features and functionalities that Bitcoin may not necessarily have. For example, some altcoins may have faster transaction speeds, lower fees, or advanced security measures. Altcoins also provide investors with a wider range of options to diversify their crypto portfolios, and they often present unique investment opportunities that may not be available with Bitcoin. One of the most well-known altcoins is Ethereum, which we'll dive into more in this video. But there are thousands of other altcoins out there, each with its own unique properties and potential benefits. It's important to note that not all altcoins are created equal, and some may carry a higher risk due to their volatility and lack of regulation. As with any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before investing in any altcoin. What is Ethereum? History. Ethereum was created in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin. Buterin had been involved in the Bitcoin community for several years, but had grown frustrated with the limitations of the Bitcoin network. He believed that there was a need for a more flexible and programmable blockchain, one that could support decentralized applications and smart contracts. Ethereum is a blockchain-based platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, dapps, using smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. These contracts can be used for a variety of purposes, from creating new cryptocurrencies to managing supply chain logistics. The platform has become so popular that many of the top altcoins in the market are built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. The age-old question, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Which one is better? Let's dive in and compare the two most popular cryptocurrencies out there. First, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first cryptocurrency ever created and remains the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency to this day. Bitcoin is primarily a store of value and a means of exchange, and its blockchain is designed to support peer-to-peer transactions. It has a limited supply of 21 million coins, which are released into circulation through a process called mining. On the other hand, Ethereum is a blockchain-based platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, dapps, using smart contracts. Its blockchain is designed to support not only peer-to-peer transactions, but also the development of complex decentralized applications. So, what are some key differences between Ethereum and Bitcoin? Firstly, Ethereum is more flexible and programmable than Bitcoin. Its smart contract functionality allows developers to create a wide range of decentralized applications, from decentralized exchanges to prediction markets. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has limited programming capabilities and is primarily used as a store of value and means of exchange. Secondly, Ethereum has faster transaction times than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin transactions can take several minutes to confirm, Ethereum transactions are typically confirmed within seconds. Another key difference between the two cryptocurrencies is their supply. While Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, Ethereum has no fixed limit on its supply. This means that Ethereum can theoretically continue to to issue new coins indefinitely. It's important to note that both Ethereum and Bitcoin have their respective strengths and weaknesses, and which one is better for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and goals. In conclusion, while Bitcoin remains the king of the crypto world, Ethereum offers a wide range of possibilities for developers and investors alike. Its smart contract functionality, faster transaction times, and support for decentralized applications have made it a force to be reckoned with in the crypto space. How it works. Smart contracts. Let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the Ethereum platform, smart contracts. At its core, a smart contract is simply a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. Once the conditions of the contract are met, the contract executes automatically with no need for intermediaries such as lawyers or bankers. Smart contracts are built on the Ethereum blockchain using a programming language called Solidity. The code for the smart contract is uploaded to the blockchain, where it is then verified and executed by the network. One of the most significant benefits of smart contracts is their ability to remove intermediaries from the equation. This can help to reduce costs, increase transparency, and speed up transactions. Smart contracts can be used for a wide range of purposes, from creating new cryptocurrencies to managing supply chain logistics. Let's take a look at a simple example of a smart contract in action. Suppose that Alice wants to sell her car to Bob. They agree on a price of 10 ETH, and Alice creates a smart contract with the terms of the agreement coded into the contract. The contract is programmed to release the 10 ETH to Alice once Bob receives the car and verifies that it is the condition described in the contract. If Bob does not receive the car or finds that it is not in the agreed-upon condition, the contract will not execute and the 10 ETH will be returned to Bob. This is just one example of how smart contracts can be used to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. They can also be used for more complex applications such as decentralized exchanges, prediction markets, and more. NFTs on Ethereum. NFTs are a type of digital asset that represents ownership of a unique item or piece of content, such as art, music, or video. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs cannot be exchanged for an equivalent amount of another NFT or cryptocurrency, hence the term non-fungible. NFTs are built on the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts, which define the rules for how the NFT can be bought, sold, and traded. This allows creators to attach specific metadata to their NFTs, such as ownership rights, provenance, and authenticity, which can help to ensure that the NFT is unique and valuable. One of the most significant benefits of NFTs is their ability to provide creators with a new way to monetize their work. By selling their work as an NFT, creators can receive payment directly from buyers without the need for intermediaries such as galleries or auction houses. NFTs have exploded in popularity in recent years, with sales of NFTs reaching over $2 billion in the first quarter of 2021 alone. Some of the most notable NFT sales have included digital art pieces such as Beeple's The First 5,000 Days, which sold for a record-breaking $69 million, and Jack Dorsey's first tweet, which sold for over $2.9 million. Ethereum 2.0 Merge. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as the Ethereum Merge, is one of the most highly anticipated developments in the blockchain space. The upgrade will fundamentally change how the Ethereum network operates and is expected to bring significant improvements to the platform in terms of scalability, security, and efficiency. One of the key features of Ethereum 2.0 is the move from a proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism to a proof of stake POS mechanism. In a POW system, miners compete to solve complex mathematical equations in order to add new blocks to the blockchain and receive rewards. In contrast, a POS system relies on validators who hold a stake in the network to verify transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. The move to POS is expected to bring several benefits to the Ethereum network. First and foremost, it will reduce the energy consumption required to maintain the network, as POS requires significantly less computational power than POW. This will not only make the network more environmentally friendly, but also make it more accessible to a wider range of users. Future of Ethereum. The future of Ethereum looks very promising, with the platform continuing to grow and evolve to meet the needs of users and developers alike. Here are some of the key developments that we can expect to see on the Ethereum network in the coming years. The continued growth of DeFi. The decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem on Ethereum has exploded in popularity over the past year, with billions of dollars in value locked in various DeFi protocols. As DeFi continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative financial products and services being built on the Ethereum network. Expansion of NFTs. NFTs have already proven to be a major use case for Ethereum, and we can expect to see even more creative and interesting applications of NFTs in the coming years. From gaming to virtual real estate to collectibles, the possibilities for NFTs on Ethereum are nearly endless. Improved scalability. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is expected to significantly improve the scalability of the Ethereum network, allowing for faster and more efficient transaction processing. In addition, other scaling solutions such as Layer 2 solutions and state channels are also being developed to further improve scalability. Increased adoption. As more and more businesses and individuals become aware of the benefits of blockchain technology, we can expect to see increased adoption of Ethereum and other blockchain platforms. This could lead to a wide range of new use cases for Ethereum, from supply chain management to identity verification. Focus on sustainability. With concerns around the environmental impact of blockchain technology growing, there is a growing focus on making Ethereum and other blockchain platforms more sustainable. This includes efforts to reduce energy consumption and increase efficiency, as well as exploring alternative consensus mechanisms beyond proof of work. Ethereum has become one of the most prominent blockchain platforms in the world and continues to grow and evolve to meet the needs of its users and developers. From smart contracts and DeFi to NFTs and scalability improvements, the potential applications of Ethereum are nearly endless. Hey, don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos and more informative videos on blockchain technology. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.